Hi guys, welcome to your last class for today. Okay, so as you know, on this day, on Wednesday, your last video is usually a craft related to a subject. Today, instead of a craft, we are going to make something, but that something is going to be ice cream. Now, why are we making ice cream and what does that have to do with any other subject? Well, I think it's time for us to try and learn a tongue twister. Now, what is a tongue twister? Tongue twister are a few sentences which are very similar usually to each other, or they have words that are similar to each other. And because they are so similar, sometimes we get confused about what we want to say. So here I have the tongue twister. It's the most simple one you've ever gonna hear. And it says, I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Now one more time. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Can you try and say it? So what is this trick here? That I scream, like I scream, sounds the same as ice cream, yeah? The dessert. If you want to make this easier to remember, you can do like this. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Okay, so we'll repeat this later on one more time, and let me tell you then what you're going to need for your ice cream today. Now first, make sure you wash your hands really well, okay, because you're going to be touching ingredients, you're going to be making food, so you need your hands to be very clean. Now here I have a bowl, and in it I'm going to put this Ziploc bag. This is a bit bigger than I'm going to need, but this is the one I have. Feel free, if you have a smaller one, to use a smaller one. We're not going to make that much ice cream. At least that's my plan. You can make as much as you want, okay? So let me just tell you what we're going to be using, okay? So you're going to need a cup. And I also have this smaller, very beautiful cup, which is approximately half of this cup. You are going to need whole milk, and if you want, instead you can also use cream, or you can just use whole milk. You're going to need some salt, you're going to need some vanilla extract, you're going to need some sugar, okay, and finally you're going to need sorry, I just need somewhere to put the sugar. You're going to need a plastic bag or two and ice, yeah? So I have this whole thing. So approximately you need around 3 cups of ice, okay? So what are you going to do? First, in this Ziploc bag, you can put 1 full cup of milk, okay? So you need whole milk. Or you can put, instead of 1 full cup, you can put half a cup of milk, which is what I'm going to do. So the cup is clean. I'm going to put this safely away so it doesn't fall over, doesn't make anything wet. And I'm carefully going to pour the milk in the bag. Okay. Clean the edge a little bit. Good. Now I'm going to open this and put half a cup of this. So carefully cut, make sure it doesn't fall into the milk. And then put it here. Okay. You can, of course, remember to bring a spoon with you, so you don't have to, like me, pat these things. Okay, so now that we have here milk and cream, we're going to mix them later. But before we do that, we are going to add some sugar. Yeah, so sugar, we are going to add 2 tablespoons, okay? So pay attention, tablespoon, teaspoon, okay? So tablespoons, 2 tablespoons, 1, 2, so I won't be needing the sugar anymore. But I am going to use the spoon to mix everything up a little bit. And I'm also going to add a teaspoon, how many? Half only of this thing, which is the vanilla extract. So your ice cream smells really, really beautiful. So half of this, remember this is a teaspoon, you don't want to put a tablespoon. Okay. I'm going to close this carefully so it doesn't spill over. And now I'm going to mix this a little bit. Okay. It smells really lovely, like vanilla. Okay, so this is actually all the ingredients that we need for this ice cream. So what we're going to try and do now, you need to close this bag, but you're going to do it very, very carefully because you want to try to get all the air out. Okay, so I'm going to try and close it here on top first. Does it want to zip? Well, you know what? I'm actually going to try to... just a second, please. My bag doesn't want to work. There. You press all the air out as much as you can. Okay, and then you zip it or you close it like this. Okay, and you put it on the side. And now we're going to need that ice in the other bag. Now this ice we're going to use to freeze the ice cream. Now I have 2 bags here because they're very thin, so I don't want to have any problems. So one bag, I'll put the other one inside. And then in this inner bag, this one here, I'm going to put all this ice. Voila. So of course you can buy ice, or if you make your own, you put it in here like that. Okay, good. So all the ice, oh no, one more cube. Okay, so all the ice is here, and now, oops, have a runaway cube. On top of this ice, I'm going to put half a cup of salt. Okay, so it helps it. The salt is going to help it to unfreeze quicker. Okay, and it's going to help freeze the ice cream. So this cup that I'm using, remember, is more or less half of that big cup. So I'm going to put the salt here. Oh, it's not coming out so easily. So salt, regular kitchen salt, okay, voila. So let me just put the salt somewhere. There it goes. Now we put it on the ice. Okay, so now you can first mix them in together a little bit. Okay, so what is going to happen now? The salt is going to help the ice freeze a little bit. And inside this bag, we're going to put the Ziploc bag, okay? And then we're gonna close it like this, and we're going to have to do a little of exercise. Why? Because you're going to have to mix this all together 7 to 8 minutes. which is not a little, I know, but once you're done with that, your ice cream should be frozen and ready to eat. So you can share it with your family, you can put your favorite toppings on it, and enjoy. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what you need to do, but I'm not going to make a video of myself 7 minutes mixing a bag because I don't think that would be very interesting for you to watch. But we have a little bit of a leak here. It seems that I do. So I'm going to put this bag here and make some ice cream for the next 7 minutes, okay? I'll do that after I'm done making this video so I don't make too much of a mess. Okay, guys, when I'm done making this video, I'll try to take a picture and send you and show you on Thursday. I hope you liked this lesson and all the other lessons today. I hope you managed to make your ice cream and enjoy it very much. And I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday, 10:40. Have a great Wednesday, guys. Bye-bye.